Travel can expand your world, but it can also drain your body. That is where Jet Set Recovery from Summit Elite IV and Aesthetics comes in. One of our premium IV treatments designed to support hydration, comfort support, clarity support, nausea support, and post-travel balance from the comfort of your home, office, hotel, or event space. This premium travel recovery infusion features fluids and a thoughtful blend of ingredients including normal saline, B-complex, B12, vitamin C, magnesium chloride, Ondansetron, selected to support a more intentional wellness experience. It may be a great option for frequent travelers, event goers, hospitality clients, conference attendees, and anyone feeling tired, puffy, dehydrated, or foggy after flights and packed schedules, especially after flights, long itineraries, conferences, destination events, travel weekends, or schedule-heavy stretches. At Summit Elite, every IV appointment is designed to feel seamless, professional, and elevated. Your registered nurse arrives with everything needed, reviews your wellness goals, checks your vitals, and helps make your experience comfortable from start to finish. You can relax on the couch, keep working, enjoy a quiet moment, or simply take time for yourself while your IV is administered by a trained clinical professional. And because we are a concierge service, there is no waiting room, no crowded clinic, and no rearranging your entire day. We bring the experience to you. Jet Set Recovery is ideal for clients who want to get back in rhythm after travel without losing a full day to feeling depleted. Book your Jet Set Recovery IV with Summit Elite IV and Aesthetics today.